Alright guys, as you can see, it's done. Put my insignia there because I just love to, you know, have something that belongs to me. Here is the beautiful Mount Fuji in the back. Freaking love it. As you can see, this is supposed to be the snow caps. I did mess up, as you can see. I laid this down first and I laid this on top and I ironed it together, and this thing actually ironed on top of the plastic. So this is just a trial run, but I think it looks pretty damn sweet, giving homage to Japan and Lexus. I didn't want to put any Lexus on here because I don't want to get in trouble for, I don't know, copyright or whatever you want to call it. But this is what I really like, the F. I know you guys are gonna go crazy for this. This little detail I think really makes it. It's on the opposite side, so it's on the right sleeve. I was gonna make one on the left, but I think it's a little too extra. So I'm gonna rock this shirt real quick, and we'll see how it looks like. Another thing is I gotta meet up with Pico in a little bit. We're gonna be driving the Lexus, and he's gonna finish up his little review for my car. And after we finish that, we'll see what else I get into. I gotta meet up my other buddy too, because he just got a bunch of car parts for his Honda S2000, and I want to check that out. So let's change real quick and let's head over there right now. Whew. Alright, gotta bring that S2000 inside and take this baby out. I should check the tire pressure since it's been sitting for a little bit, but I think I'll be okay. Gotta let it breathe. Upon inspection, I realized the logo is a little bit to the left, which kind of sucks. But I'm gonna go ahead and go get more shirts. Like I said, this is just gonna be a special run type of thing. I'm limited on materials, but like I said, Vivid did sponsor some of the vinyl for me to try out, and I love this stuff. Like, look at that, it's so nice and solid. It stretches pretty nicely, and this shirt is a Gildan shirt, which isn't the best, and it's pretty thick, but it's cotton and it holds very well with heat transfer stuff. So it should last for a while if you guys wash it and wear it a lot. I'd say the best thing to do is just cold wash and just let it hang dry. Anyway, I'm gonna go pick up some more shirts, and I'm gonna make some more tonight because I totally messed this up. Like I said, this is way over there, and I might change this color to black. I think having it black will be a lot cleaner. It will match the F right here, and I know you guys loving this F on the arm because it looks pretty damn clean. And of course on the back, can't see it, but let me just put this down real quick. There, you can see that. So then there's the F on the arm, my insignia. So yeah, it's gonna be really cool. I hope you guys really like these shirts, and like I said, it's gonna be a limited run, and hopefully it sells out. I'm gonna pick up probably medium, large, small, medium, large, extra large shirts. It's all coming out of my pocket, but I'm hoping everything looks really nice. It's just a way for me to honor the Lexus ISF, GSF, you know, RCF, and the whole Mount Fuji engineering behind Lexus. And this is a great way to do it, and I just want to give you guys this opportunity to have a t-shirt made by me before I let this car go, because I know damn well every single person is going to miss this car, including myself. But I know the person buying the car is actually going to love this car, and I'm also going to give him a shirt personally. Probably going to sign it as well, just because I feel like a celebrity right now. Just something cool, you know what I mean? Just give someone a little bit of something that's personal. So anyway, let's move these cars out, get this car out, and well, let's get this car in, move this car out, and then we're gonna head to the store. Looking so nice. Honestly, the walled lip kit is probably the nicest looking lip kit for this car. I had the Toms, I had the Lexon. Dylan had the eBay Bison R1, or Basin R. To me, this is the best looking. It goes so well with like the hood, and then it scoops down. Of course, the wheels are fantastic. Volk everything, guys. Obsessed with Volk. Sorry, might be a little bit windy out here. It is quite nice today in Florida. But anyway, let's get going. Man, I tell you, driving this car is so smooth. And it's also a bonus that it's automatic, so I don't have to shift and all that crap. Although it would be nice to be manual transmission. Man, Oh man, I'm a sucker for freaking collectibles, especially die-cast collectibles. So on the way to meet up with Pico, stop by the local Hobby Lobby and pick this bad boy up. The Skyline. It's pretty cool. I mean, not the most detailed die-cast car you can buy, made by Greenlight, but I mean, it's still cool that they're making JDM cars. I mainly collect Hot Wheels, M2 machines. I started with Tarmac, and I just started with Tamika. So I will show you the Tamika one that I got at home. It's my first one, but it was gifted to me by John. It's so damn sick. You guys are gonna love that thing. I'll record that when I get home because I totally forgot when I left the house. We're gonna go and meet up with Pico right now. Hopefully you get some more footage done. But yeah, I'll stop recording because I can't drive when I record because it's not really safe. So this puts us at day 2 of shooting. You know, it's tough being a celebrity, you know. Just kidding. He's actually gonna redo this whole entire script. So I'm just gonna go hang out, and when he's done, we're gonna go get some food because I'm really hungry as well. Actually using my tripod today. My Gorilla Pod. This is kind of cool. One thing I want to take note, this crap right here keeps freaking melting. So I gotta buy another one and replace this because it's awful. It really is. Like, I don't know why Lexus can't make one that's not this rubbery. Oh crap, I pressed it, right? Yep. Not this rubbery crap. So back out here again for another video shoot. So quick walk around again, just cause I like doing that. Got the wheel tilted today, looking mighty fine. Sweet. Yeah? Yeah. My boy Pico just finished vlogging.
Professional Asian 5, look forward to it on my channel. It's gonna have at least 300 views by 2020.
Let's try to get him to 1,000 views on that one. If you want to watch my car be reviewed by Pico, incorrectly reviewed, okay, I can't speak well, but if you want to watch him talk about this car, go ahead, check his channel, subscribe to his channel, get this to at least 100 likes and 1,000 views, and I'm gonna give something away to somebody.
That's a lot of views and likes.
Yeah.
1,000?
I'm gonna push for it. I know. I'm gonna push for it. So yeah, if you guys support, okay, can you see? Okay. So if you guys support my boy Pico, you support me, and you want to watch this video, let's get it to 100 likes, 1,000 views, and I'm gonna give something away to a subscriber that's subscribed to both of us. We'll figure that out later, but yeah, stay tuned for that.
We'll use the Force.
We'll use the Force. I like Sif better though. They use the Force too?
They use the Force. I mean, they use the dark side.
The dark side, oh yeah. Yeah.
They don't call it the Force per se.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. I'll snap. Already know the best restaurant in the world. If it focuses. Well, you get the idea. Here at HP, guys, hanging with Pico and the crew. SSR professors, beautiful. What's up, my guy?
We're doing this at the same time too again.
Ooh, vlogception.
God,
look at this guy. Got his gigantic.
It's bigger than rainbows right now.
Anyway, guys, this is new. I've never seen this guy's car in person before, but apparently he's a baller and he's building a really, really sick R33.
Rob, this is the pinnacle of an R33 USDM build that you can get. Like, when Rob gets the best stuff, he gets the best stuff. I mean, what else are we gonna do when you make $800 an hour?
I mean, if this is authentic Nismo, which it is, that already shows this guy has money.
That's nothing.
That's nothing?
This is actually a sticker of it.
Yeah. It's a sticker, but it's a Nismo sticker, which is really expensive.
The entirely good part of the modification is this whole thing right here.
This really made it, to be honest. That contrast is insane.
That's what made when he has the wheels on, it makes the car.
There you go. Follow his Instagram if you care. I love how wide the fenders are. Oh yeah, I was watching the video on this. They were working on this training yesterday.
What?
This is the engine going inside of it. See this right here? What they do here, what I heard, this is an actual K20 engine. And they buy these valve covers on eBay and they put them on there. And it makes it look like this Nissan engine. So it's pretty cool.
Don't be like Pico.
What are you talking about? Like, you can do that.
Don't make up shit.
Okay, I'm sorry, Marcus.
Okay, Mr. schmeckles.
A schmeckle is an actual thing. It'd be bad if I offered you 5,000 Prussian francs. That's a country that doesn't exist anymore. If I offered you 5 million Prussian francs, would you accept it?
Sure.
Why? Would you rather have $1 million or the power to buy 1 million basketballs?
Sure.
Anyway, these guys are f***ing on crack. So
Where do I come up with my stuff?
look at these guys.
Where does Pico come up with his ingenious ideas?
I think he told me he watched a lot of Scotty Kilmer videos. So
What about your engines? That's Scotty Kilmer.
Never seen him.
you know, Marcus, I've known you for maybe not that long, but every time we mention something, you're always like, I don't know what that is. He doesn't even know what Star Wars is.
What do you mean?
Scotty Kilmer.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Do you watch Great Mythical Morning? Oh. Do you watch Rugrats?
Yeah.
Okay, so he knows that.
But you watch Rugrats currently? Like,
No, I didn't even know they.
recent time? I mean, I don't blame them because I watch Yu-Gi-Oh! Still sometimes. They have reruns on
I
YouTube.
just watched Yu-Gi-Oh! Not too long ago.
Which season Yu-Gi-Oh do you like?
Mine, because she is so hot.
Which season you watch? Because there's like there's a lot of seasons. There's like 8 seasons.
The whatever the ones that are on Netflix. The real one with
Okay.
Yu-Gi in it.
Okay. So Duelist Kingdom,
Yeah.
Battle City,
Yep.
Dungeon Dice,
Yep.
and the Orichalcos and or whatever is after that.
Well, the one that ended with the blimp. What is it?
The
Oh,
Blimp is Battle City. The Battle City where they fought on top with Kaiba and the God cards. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then Orichalcos came after that.
The last season with the simulator with Noah.
Orichalcos.
Yeah, Orichalcos.
Orichalcos?
No.
They got trapped in
No, the simulator, that one was
Yeah, that one.
he pretended to be like Kaiba's little stepbrother or something like that.
It was in between.
It was in between.
Yeah, it was
I've never finished Orichalcos, which I'm pretty pissed about. Don't tell me why.
People have been telling me for the past 3 days that if I sit in a wheelchair too long, something bad's gonna happen.
No.
Oh. I
You
mean,
actually save your tendons and your ligaments in your spine.
well, if you sit too long, you can get a blood clot, which will
Yeah.
kill you. Yeah. So, if yeah, I get jittery when I sit too long.
Yeah, but I
that's
do
me.
wheelies, so my legs are always moving.
Oh yeah, well that's why they make rotating in space wheelchairs. Did I say wheelchair? Yeah, wheelchairs because so you know, to change the gravity. Yeah, that's fine.
There's a wheelchair right over here.
So yeah, I'm stuck here at HP. Everyone is going to help a buddy out. One of our mutual friends just got into a personal, individual accident with his daily. His car is really low and it just bottomed out. But anyway, they're gone. I'm in the shop now, hanging out. Let's look at some cars. You know, this one is my buddy Kim's GTR R32. He's getting some work done mechanically, and I think I'm coming back tomorrow or the day after, and we're gonna be tinting his car and finishing that up like I mentioned. It's pretty sick. Like I said, I really like the purple on this car. Really clean. This car is Rob's R33, and it's really clean. It just got painted. Working on the tranny and the motor to get put back in there. It's gonna be pretty sick. Another look at the engine. Apparently stroked out. I think it's stroked out to like 2.9 or something. So it's an RB29 in that sense. Tons of HKS goodies. So really pretty. This is Jack's personal car, Dusty. Got some big Brembos with some nice rotors on there. Same to match in the rear. Very clean, Momo steering wheel. That's his little track Miata he has going on. In front is an R33 GTS-T or GTS, either or, and some other G35 on the bottom. Getting work done. I think a tune-up. I think he's getting a tune-up because the car's been sitting for a while or something like that. Nice little 240Z here. I saw it the other day, but I didn't want to record it out of respect. But since it's already on YouTube, it's pretty damn clean. Done very well. And then Jack's race car on top, the RX-7. Pretty cool. So yeah, I'm stuck here with all these Skylines and all these cool cars, and not much I can do but just chill here, I guess. So yeah, we will see what happens. So yeah, one thing I want to talk about before I end the video today, might end it a little later when they get back, so we can recap. But this Saturday down south in Florida, there's an event hosted by Hot Wheels. It's called Hot Wheels Legends Tour. My car, the Lexus ISF, got accepted into that event. So it's kind of last minute. I literally got the email like 2 days ago. So if anyone's in South Florida wants to watch or come by, it's at Pembroke Pines, West Pembroke Pines Boulevard at the Walmart. They're gonna be setting up a bunch of Hot Wheels stuff. I think they're gonna bring that giant Hot Wheels wall, the blue one, to kind of look like the Hot Wheels card. And we're gonna have a chance to park our cars there and take some photos. And I'm very, 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 very stoked about that, because I am selling the car, but it's kind of nice to have that little bit of a closure with the car, with Hot Wheels, because I really love that hobby. I collect Hot Wheels on the side. I don't really vlog about it, I don't really talk about it, but probably gonna show you guys my collection later today or tomorrow or whatever it may be, to show you guys how hardcore I am into these Hot Wheels. But we're gonna be there on Saturday morning. I'm gonna get down there around 6 for staging, and the event starts at 8 and I think it ends at 11. So it's like a 3-hour window, very short, very early. So if you guys want to come out, check out the car, talk to me or whatever, go ahead. Be kind of cool. But anyway, just wanted you guys know and update you guys on that, for those who are actually watching the whole video and not skipping through. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun to have that little bit of coverage with Lexus before I get rid of it. But yeah, where's everybody? Alright guys, I'm gonna end today's video because they actually got back after 2 hours of waiting for them, and we just lost track of time. I gotta end the vlog. I'll speak more on this t-shirt. I'll speak more on the Hot Wheels event this Saturday, and hopefully I get little things more organized. It's really hard to vlog when you're just hanging out with all your friends, you know what I mean? So, see you on the next video. Peace.